Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ito po, ang topic natin ngayon is inverse function. Okay, so as you can see, may iba't ibang klase po tayo dito ng function, and what we're going to do is to look for the inverse. So, si number 1, unahin po natin number 1. So, same process. Gaya ng last video natin, we just need to copy for number 1. Okay. 2x plus 10. After copying that, change f of x to y. 2x plus 10. Then interchange x and y. So x is equal to now 10. Then after that, the goal is y lang yung matira sa right side. So what we're going to do is to put 10 on the left side of the equation. Okay, so you can see positive siya ngayon, naging negative na. So, yung goal natin, I repeat, y lang po yung natitira. As you can see, meron po siyang katabing 2, o coefficient na 2. So, we're going to divide both sides by 2. Okay, at yan na po yung natira. Then, we will now transform that to its inverse form, which is this one. Okay, so ganyan lang po kadali si number 1. Okay, for number 2 naman po, okay, si number 2 ay may square root. So, madali lang po yan. Copy lang po natin. F of x is equal to the square root of x plus 1. Okay, same process. Okay, same process po. We need to change f of x into y. Is equal to square root of x plus 1. Then, interchange po natin si x and si y. So, magiging x na po yan. Then, the square root of y plus 1. Okay. So, next po ay kailangan natin y lang matira dito. Then, pupunta po natin dun sa kabila. Si 1. So, x minus 1 square root of y. So, as you can see, meron pa po siyang square root. Ang goal natin, y lang matira. So, ang gagawin po natin, we need to square both side of the equation to remove the square root. So, pag meron ng square to, maka-cancel na po yung square root. Okay? So, ang matitira na lang ay y minus square. So, kung gusto nyo pong i-simplify ito, okay lang. Kung ayaw nyo na, okay, you just need to put na lang yung inverse, f of x inverse, and we have the x minus 1 square. You can simplify that or kahit hindi na. Okay? For example number 3, as you can see, magkaiba po sila ni number 2. Si number 2 po, yung x lang ang may square. Ito po, parehas na po silang may square. So, what we're going to do is, ganito po. Siyempre, copy lang po natin si example number 3. Okay. X plus 5. So, next process po is to change f of x to y. X plus 5. Then, after changing f of x to y, interchange po natin yung dalawa. Okay. The square root of y plus 5. Ngayon, kanina, yung y lang yung may square. Ngayon po, sa example natin, pati si 5 meron ng square root. Okay. So, ang gagawin po natin dito is to remove the square root, okay, square both side. Square po natin both side. So, as you can see, square po, magka-cancel na po si square root ng buong ito, buong binomial. Ngayon, dito sa kabila, ang magiging itsura po ay y plus 5, wala na yung square root. So, x square, the answer is x square. Okay? Then, syempre, ang goal natin, y lang matira. So, ililipat natin si y sa kabila, si 5 sa kabila. X minus 5, positive, naging negative, y. At gagawin na natin, f of x Yan. Then, we have x squared minus 5. So, napakadali po ni number 3. Okay, parang mahirap lang pero napakadali po niya. Then, for number 4, okay, copy lang po natin si number 4. We have f of x is equal to the cube root. Okay, meron pong 3 doon. Cube root po ang ibig sabihin niyan. X over 4. Okay, so same process. Huwag kayong kabahan. Napakadali lang po nito. Okay, change f of x to y is equal to the cube root of x over 4. Then, interchange po natin yung dalawa. Magiging x na siya. Then, cube root of y over 4. So, ang goal natin, matira y lang. So, meron po siyang over. So, ang gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo ng 1 dito. Then, cross, multiply. Fraction kasi sa right side, dapat si left side fraction din. So, 4 times 1, that is 4x. 1 times, same number. Any number multiplied by 1, okay, ay makukuha yung same number pa din. So, yan. Ngayon, the problem is, meron siyang cube root. So, cube root. Ano pagkakaiba ni square root at ni cube root? Si square root po, 2 po yung nandito niya. 2. Si square root, si cube root naman ay 3. So, ang gagawin po natin para ma-remove siya, we just need to put cube on the both side of the equation. Okay, maglalagay tayo ng cube. Then, magka-cancel out na yung cube root. At ang matitira ay y. Ngayon, what is the cube root of 4? Okay, 4 times 4 times 4. The answer is 64. 64. What is the cube root of x? X times x times x. Okay, makukuha natin ay x cube. 3 beses. Okay, so ganyan na po, i-rewrite na natin f of x, then we have 64x cube.